Trey Veston here, and I've got a special unboxing edition today. It is a little brother to this. My favorite 1911. This is a Tisas D-10 10mm. Beautiful pistol. I've done a couple reviews on it. And this one's a little dirty. We just got it back from the range, converting another non-believer to just how nice of a pistol this is. And today we're going to do an unboxing of its little brother, the Tisas Yukon. Two-tone. Not a lot of these out there, so let's take a closer look. So yeah, this is the new Tisas Yukon carry. I guess it's not new. It's been out, I think, a year or so. But it's new to me, and I went online. I love the Tisas 1911 pistols, even though I don't know much about 1911s. I'm just starting to get into them just because they're such a pleasure to shoot. Lots of stuff out there on the D10. Nothing on the accuracy of it, so of course my video focuses on the accuracy. And when I heard that they were coming out with a commander size 10mm from Tisas, I had to look into it, and there it is. Now, I think they have a version called the Yukon Carry. This is a two-tone model, which is no longer shown on the website, but there's quite a few out there, and they run about $50 to $60 to $80 cheaper than the regular ones. I think I picked this one up for $655, and I've always, kind of been attracted to the two-tone pistols, so I picked it up, and I ordered it, and didn't really notice a lot of the details. Let's take this out of here. That's exactly how it shows up. It's got this breech plug in there, safety plug. Remove that. It's got a magazine loaded in quality polished stainless. It's of course clear, and it comes with an extra magazine, and these are 8 rounds. Now I have since, well, before the pistol even got here, I ordered, what did I order? They're 9-round 10mm magazines. I can't remember who they're from. Well, anyway, they're here. I function tested them in this, and they work great. So there you go. What else do you get here? You get kind of an odd little trigger lock. I think there's the federal rule that they have to come with a trigger lock. They've come up with this little plastic piece that kind of serves as that and is way cheaper, which is fine. I would much rather them put money into the pistol than the trigger lock, which comes with your disassembly tool. Alrighty, we've got a little cleaner, or a little ramrod thing for cleaning patches, your brush, and the owner's manual. And this is pretty generic. It's got all the different brands or models listed on there. And how many languages is this in? Oh my gosh, it's only in English. I guess Tisas does not believe in DEI. There you go. It's definitely a good thing. Okay, so let's take a look at the pistol itself. A bit of an undercut. Checkering is fine. The quality of the machining is excellent. And what I noticed on this, now when you look at the two pistols, between the carry and the two-tone, is they look almost identical in features, except the carry has a skeletonized trigger, which I prefer. I didn't notice that when I ordered this. And also the carry has like a gray Cerakote on the frame, and then it's a black Cerakote on the slide, and it has the word Yukon, I think, yes, engraved in there. This has no such markings. There are literally no Yukon, no two-tone, nothing to indicate what this is. And both have the bobtail grip. Both have the beaver grip safety here. Everything's identical. Sights, these are awesome sights. It's got an orange outlined night sight up front, and the back is a very nice melted, just round notch, kind of a Springfield Armory style. So really like it. G10 grips, of course, more of a gray. They've got the relief cut out for your mag release on just the one side. I found the G10 grips to be hard to improve upon. I bet this thing would be really pretty with some Coca-Cola grips, so I have to see about upgrading that. But yeah, the machining is excellent, and yeah, we'll take a closer look at it here with the camera. Alrighty, close up. There's just not a lot of imperfections that I could find, especially in a $650 1911 and 10 millimeter. The extended safety, thumb safety, the beaver tail grip safety, everything's a little nicer than the original D10 I got. The checkering is still amazingly perfect. Grips are good. There's no imperfections. This is a Cerakote. The two-tone, it's highly polished. There is a little bit of a imperfection. I don't know if you can see those. It's like they didn't quite polish it perfectly. You can see those, those consistent marks where I guess, I don't know if the polishing wheel was bouncing or something. I don't know. Okay, let's take a look at those sights. Nice fine checkering on the back of the sights. Yeah, it came with not too much amount of oil on it. Okay. Come on, camera. Focus on that. Just says 10 millimeter. The front sight. That's so cool. I think I'm trying to remember the name of that sight that emulates. It might be an actual one with the orange surround and the tritium insert. Okay. HZH323. Again, the checkering, all the checkering is excellent. Machining on this side is much better. There's not that imperfect. It's like a mirror finish. I think there's a tiny bit of a scratch imperfection. That's just from probably handling. Oh, there it is. A little bit of some scrape. Somebody probably at the distributor set it on something hard. But yeah, notice how there's no wording on this thing. It's just, a lot of people like that. There's, they don't like a lot of the big garish, gosh, what's the word I'm thinking of? It's always on video. My mind goes blank. I'm trying to think of the words. Anyway, yeah, the pistol is just, it's very good quality. It looks nice. It feels nice. $650. As far as, the two-tone versus, this is usually the two-tone I like, is with the silver frame and the black slide. This one has got, the black frame and a silver slide, but a two-tone slide. And like I said, it's no longer listed on their website. So, but there's a lot of them out there in the wild. And like I said, they run a little bit cheaper. So it just depends on your preference. Okay, we've got the little trigger tag removed. Let's do a trigger pull test. Again. Man, that's another thing to note. These are they feel so tight. And both of these pistols, clear that one, obviously. Just like it feels like they're on like roller bearings. It's amazing. And this one's got a little bit more side to side play, but you've seen the accuracy test on this thing, and it's phenomenal. This thing is even, yeah, it's got a little bit more play in the back, a little tighter in the rear. Yeah, it's still just smooth, great pistol. Alrighty, take a look at our trigger. We have got Wow, that was a heavy. It says 6 pounds. I bet we didn't do that right. Okay. Try a different angle here. Okay. Thing. Okay, that broke at 5 1/4. And that is 5 1/4. Boy, it sure feels lighter than that. And consistent, that one was a little higher at 5 1/2, but man, there's just a tiny, tiny bit take up. And no creep. And it feels so much better. See if we can, those are rookie numbers. We can figure out what's going on. Try it towards the bottom of the trigger now. That's still 5 1/2. So I guess 5 1/2, but it feels so much lighter. I don't remember what this was at, but it's another beautiful trigger. Middle of the trigger, and it's right at 4 1/2. So this is a full pound lighter, and it's again just a little bit more take up, no creep. Okay, yeah, this feels, I guess, slightly better, but this has, 200-300 rounds through it, so this one may loosen up as we fire it. Okay, yeah, I can tell. Yeah, it's a pound heavier. But after shooting, I think, Glocks last time, this feels wonderful. So this was going to be like, well, I don't know. I could say it's going to be a woods carry gun, but we all know I'm going to carry my Springfield Armory XDM OSP Elite 10 millimeter instead of this, because it's a true woods carry gun. 11 rounds capacity, optics. It's amazingly accurate. So we'll see. I'm going to take this out for some accuracy testing, and we're going to pit it up against Big Brother, see how they fare with some of the same loads, and might compare it to the Glock G29 and my beloved XDM Elite and see which one is more accurate. So, yeah, we'll see how that fares out. But yeah, so we'll be taking it to the range. Just it's been extremely dry, lots of fire hazard out here in the northern Idaho, eastern Washington area. So anyway, that's the Tisas Yukon two-tone. And if you want one, I can't recommend it yet because I haven't shot it, but for $650, it's a heck of a lot of pistol and machining and quality right there on the initial review. So, alrighty, subscribe and I'll come back with some meaningful range time with actual 25-yard accuracy, and we'll see how it does. Alrighty, Trey Veston out. Go Tisas.